Una well done, oh. I greet una. Today na another wonderful day for Obonge series wey we dey call Na So E Be. Yeah, so today's episode for Na So E Be get one matter wey I wan bring for una domot. See, e get one day as I dey travel go where I dey go, place wey dey call Ada George for Port Harcourt, Rivers State, and I dey go towards my one. E get one bus wey I enter, so dey come dey talk something. So e get reach one place, we come see one man wey dey eat akara and bread. Now for akara and bread no be bad thing now, na the one wey person see na wetin go chop. Later you fit dey talk whether e dey healthy abi not, but that one na food for those of us wey dey Nigeria. Na so we dey chop am. Some people dey like am, some people dey like other things. So the conductor come dey talk, so he say this man no dey do well. How he come dey eat akara and bread for early morning like this? Na you no know say this man na very rich man. The man get money, get bus, get everything. So people for bus come dey talk, wetin dey wrong? Na him choice now. People get choice. People get choice to eat wetin they wan eat. So me, I come just dey lis ten, and I no know when matter talk, comot. So I come dey lis ten. So the conductor come talk say that this man get too much money every day for akara and bread, akara and bread, akara and bread. So some people say, maybe e possible say the man just like am that way. So then, as we dey, they dey talk am back and forth, passenger, everybody just dey chook mouth for the matter. Then one person for my side come say, maybe if he dey do assignment. I come dey reason wetin be assignment, but as dem dey talk, I know say that assignment fit be maybe im belong to something, one group like that. So maybe na part of the thing wey e suppose dey do. Because as the conductor dey talk, the conductor dey say, this man every time wey dey see am, he no understand why he dey do im life like this. He no dey even too wear cloth, he no dey too wear, even eat food. Sometimes the way he dey eat, you go dey wonder say this man no even see anything dey eat. So, but some people come, they also dey contribute. They say sometimes you fit just, na as people just dey like this for bus, you no know person wey get car. You think say everybody dey wey dey use bus, they no get car. You fit check now for almost 4 people that car for the bus get car, their own personal car, but the choice na to use bus. So, and some other people say e fit be assignment too. So me, I come yab am, tell am say, after all, for morning where at early time where we start, he get one passenger where the conductor come carry him bag. So I come look am, and the thing where the cloth wey the conductor wear come blend well well with the bag. E come dey like say na him own. Even the person wey get bag dey in back. That time we just comot make we give way make person enter. So come dey like conductor, this bag no bad on you o. Like say na you own am. He come dey laugh, come dey joke say he no go school o, that na him own way make the thing dey fit am. So now I come dey refer to them for that matter unto say, as this conductor carry this one, maybe na him choice. You sef wey dey bus, like, fit be dey do your own assignment. Maybe if you be one big boy like that, you come dey do conductor for us for this bus. That kind of thing. So everybody just dey laugh. So I come dey reason this matter. Akara and bread, wetin dey wrong? Even I tell am say even groundnut and garri, you fit see do that combination. Mean say the person na rich man, him just like am. Maybe na lifestyle, maybe na something wey him come dey used to. Some person fit see am say, maybe na him feel say this life nothing there. Maybe him struggle too much. He just no wan bother himself about all those kind things. So, but na so this life dey be. Many times people dey do something. You fit see person wey get too much money like this. You no fit, the thing wey you dey see him dey do, you no go fit say, this man dey do this kind thing. So I come dey look, say na so this life be, and na why e come my mind say na so e be. Because some people fit say, that small money dem get, make dem dey manage am. The people say that big money wey dem get, e no mean anything. No be still food you go chop, no be still die everybody go die, no be still 6 feet everybody go go. Because I know say e get people still, they no get money but they go carry that small money wey dem get, carry am go buy correct food. Now they fit die that food, they fit no eat again. And if you see them dey eat, they go eat like person wey be say no eat again tomorrow. You understand? So another thing say he get an hair, he get something wey I can't remember now. One person for that bus say as he know dey, another thing be say the man fit dey put him money for other places wey dey more important than for am. You know, like now, in dey tell me, give me own example, say him be PhD holder now, him dey run something for system, him dey use him dey work online. So many times him dey subscribe, and subscription cost, if he wetin him spend for subscription for 1 week go pass wetin he chop for food. If he spend up to 20,000 naira for subscription for 1 week, yet for food he no even spend up to 3,000 naira. As example, him just dey explain him own experience, him just dey tell me him own experience. So I come dey lis ten am say it's true o. E dey possible say the man fit dey carry money, that person wey dey say dey chop bread and akara fit dey carry money dey put for other things, so he no go dey worry about food. He go just anything wey he see him go dey chop. If you wan talk say healthy food, not healthy food, that one no concern am. E no matter, e no dey even look that direction. So for this episode of Anasoibi, I wan make I knack una this story. I say as I come dey reason this thing, people get choices, people get things wey dem wan do themselves. So na why e no good make you no come dey say you conclude say based on wetin you see, this person that. Yes, make we dey do our own thing, but the thing say as people get choice, and sometimes people's choices fit just dey wetin oyibo people dey call weird, and sometimes people's choices dey unusual, as the oyibo people dey call am. So na most one thing be say dem get those choices, and before we conclude, we make sure say we get the correct fact. You get am? So na so important make we get the correct fact. Correct fact wey dey carry make you, when you dey talk wetin you dey talk am with sense. Make you no go dey talk wetin you no know, yet that thing no that as e come look. Maybe wetin dey look no be wetin you dey see, but na so because say you wan talk, you just see am that way, you just carry am dey talk. So one thing there be say make we all pick am as wetin we dey do, make we no dey too fast to conclude. So me, I learn am for lesson, and today I come dey, and e good when you dey boss like this, you go dey reason people, go dey sample people mind. People, this one go talk this one, this one go talk. So e just tell you how this life dey. Make e no get one straightforward answer. As you think say na black and white, person go see o, e dey like say na milk color, e just like pink. And from that side where the person dey, person go dey see that color, and you no go dey see am from where you dey, because you think say you where you dey see am right. That person, where the person dey, him dey see am right too. So na so I pick that lesson from our small journey today. So once more, my name na Uchenna Ozekwe. I be doctor, I be physiotherapist, I dey create content. People dey also call me Bethany Blaze. Na why I carry call this channel Bethany Blaze MD. If you follow me on Bethany Blaze MD, if you follow me, or if you send me email for bethanyblazemd@gmail.com, BETHANYBLAZEMD@gmail.com. If you drop message here to make we hear how you see am. For this na so e be. How you dey reason this kind things? Some people wey you go think say they rich, they no dey eat like say they rich. Or some people wey you think say they poor, they dey eat like say they poor. E fit possible say like one passenger say they dey do assignment. The kind assignment they do, they belong to something where they suppose do something before they become something. You understand? So na so e come be. So na why I dey greet una for joining me for this edition. And those of us wey don dey join me, wey dey follow my channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Make sure you tell others for wetin we dey do here. So I dey hope say I go see una next time. Thank you.